ନାଇଁ ଗୁରୁଜ ଭଏସ୍ ସମୟ ଅତିକ୍ରାନ୍ତ ସମସ୍ତେ ଭାରାକ୍ରାନ୍ତ ତେଣୁ ଏହି ଅବସରରେ and I am the last and youngest to give the vote of thanks, but I will be very short. Within 2 minutes I will try to complete. I believe in Eklator, but interest to work in the grassroots level. Respected and our most distinguished chief guest of the August occasion, Sri Upendra Tripathi, IS Director General, International Solar Alliance, who already left due to some busy schedule. Our respected guest of honor, Professor Dr. C.R. Tripathi, Honorable Vice Chancellor, BPUT Odisha, already left due to some busy schedule. Sri Jatindranath Swai, IAS, Managing Director, Solar Power Corporation, New Delhi. Sri Vishnupada Sethi, IAS, Principal Secretary, Energy Department, Government of Odisha. Dr. Sukant Mahapatra, due to some busy schedule, unable to attend, Founder Chairman of NIST Autonomous, and Chief Patron of Indian Energy Congress. Professor B.K. Nanda, Dean R&D, Swa University. Professor Srikant Patnaik, Keynote Speaker, Dr. Rampa Nagaraj, Managing Director, PRDC Bangalore. Mrs. Prabhat Nalini Samal, Joint Director, Bureau of Energy Efficiency, New Delhi. Professor P.K. Satpathy Sir, Professor Electrical Engineering, Department of Electrical Engineering, CET. Keynote Speaker, Mr. K. Ramanathan, Distinguished Fellow at Energy and Resource Institute, New Delhi. Professor Akshay Kumar Swain, Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering, New Zealand. And lastly, Dr. Sadhana Bose, Dean Faculty, Jadavpur University. Our beloved President, Professor Dr. Engineer Prabhakar Swai Sir, to whom I am here, Honorable Secretary General of Indian Energy Congress, and my respected teachers, Professor P.K. Badi Sir, Vice President of Indian Energy Congress, Dr. Divakar Swai Sir, retired GM Nalpur, Dr. Priyavati Patnaik Sir, Engineer Firoz Mahapatra Sir, Registrar NIST Autonomous, Engineer Shishir Kumar Sahu, Secretary Indian Engineering Congress, our Margadarshak Advisor, Professor R.P. Mohanty Sir, former Vice Chancellor, Swa University, Professor Ashok Tripathi Sir, Ex-Director General, Central Power Research Institute, Bangalore, and all my electronics and print media friends, my well-wishers, and also Dr. Prabhat Mahapatra from East Coast Railway, and all esteemed professors, distinguished guests, participants from various organizations, organizing committee members, our most respected teacher friends, my beloved students friends, as well as one and all gathered over here. As we know, 1 minute I will take. As the technical session of the organizing program is purely based on energy challenges and promises, the eminent and renowned speakers delivered many technical content related to availability of renewable energy, integration technique, problems, and protection schemes. As per huge energy demand, the researchers are recently focused on the different renewable energy integration techniques and solutions. And I deem it great honor to propose the vote of thanks to all who have helped us in making this our national symposium such a resounding success. First of all, I would like to again thanks to our Sri Upendra Tripathi IAS propose a hearty vote of to our chief guest for blessing today's symposium. Thank you, sir, for your very interesting and thought-provoking address. I would like to thank our distinguished speakers, all speakers, for making excellent presentation and making this seminar interesting and meaningful. I would like to express profound gratitude to our President, Dr. Prabhakar Swai, for his presence in this seminar. I would also like to thank our beloved Secretary General, Professor P.K. Badi Sir, for his moral support and guidance always. Particularly, I extend special thanks to Dr. Manas Malik Sir, Director, Swa University, for the support. I am happy to express vote of thanks to our organizing committee members who have made this seminar a grand success. Last but not the least, I am thanking to Swa University and NIST Autonomous Parampur. This event would not have been successful without the volunteers and students in organizing committee. Thank you so much, guide, for all your efforts, all the audience. Thank you so much for paying your valuable attention. We are also grateful to all the sponsoring organizations. I would like to thank all the volunteers who have been running around, doing a lot of things. Thank you so much. Thank you all.